Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install apps only from Microsoft Store in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, turn on your computer and wait for it to fully load. Make sure Windows 11 boots up completely before moving forward. This ensures all system settings are ready to be modified and prevents any potential issues during configuration. Once your PC is ready and you're on your desktop, locate the Windows Start menu at the bottom of your screen within the taskbar. Click on it to open the Start menu. This is your gateway to accessing all system settings and applications on your Windows 11 machine. With the Start menu open, type in Apps and Features in the search bar and press Enter. This will bring up the Microsoft Apps and Features window, which is where you control how applications are installed and managed on your system. This settings area gives you complete control over app permissions and installation sources. When the Apps and Features window appears, direct your attention to the left side menu. You'll see several tabs listed vertically. Click on the Apps and Features tab to access the full settings panel for managing your applications. This section contains all the tools you need to customize how apps are installed on your computer. Now within the Apps and Features settings, you'll prominently see a drop-down menu labeled Where to Get Apps. This is the key setting that controls which sources are allowed to install applications on your Windows 11 PC. Click on this drop-down to reveal your available options. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see several choices for app installation sources. Look for the option that says the Microsoft Store only recommended and select it. By choosing this option, you're effectively locking down your system to only allow applications from the Microsoft Store to be installed. This significantly enhances your security by preventing potentially harmful software from unofficial sources from being installed on your computer. It's a recommended setting for users who want maximum protection and only use verified applications. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Windows 11 PC to install apps only from the Microsoft Store, adding an extra layer of security to your system. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.